Hello, my name is Dr. Ketan Kothary. My patients decide to go for fast braces is because they've done the research on it and they understand that FASTBRACES technology is new, but their teeth move faster, there's no extractions, and teeth can move in as little as 120 days. So that's what really appeals to them. Fast braces moves the whole tooth. In traditional braces, they move the root first, then the crown. So with fast braces, by moving the tooth, the biology, the technology behind fast braces means that you are actually moving the whole tooth, so you don't need to change wires, you don't need to reposition brackets, you're done in one go. I have two practices, one in Harrow and one in Beaconsfield. Both provide comprehensive general laser implant cosmetic dentistry. They can visit our website or call our surgery. We do offer a free consultation for all our patients that call in, and they can make an appointment to see me.